and welcome back to a brand new video. So today it's a bit of a walk around just before the firework display tonight, and they're due to start about sort of 8:30. They'll be kicking off, so we're going to have a bit of a look around town, just see how many people is in Blackpool today, because it's an absolute fantastic day. So we're going to have a bit of a walk around and just see what's going on. So yeah, come and join me on this bit of a walk around video. See one of the old trams just pulled into that. Looks the Heritage Tours, and you can grab your tickets. In fact, I'll pop the link in the description where you can book up. I mean, that's amazing. You can go into all sorts of trams, the open top ones and all sorts. I'll pop that in the description, but some of the old ones look absolutely amazing. And the first thing we noticed this morning is the Revolution is now gone, which closed down in August. Now it's called the Coyote Ugly Saloon. So it looks like that is got all brand new signs, so whether it's open or it's just all being prepared. So yeah, Coyote Ugly Saloon is come to Blackpool. So we're going to start this walk off just near the beach house, and you can see the old lollipop. Look at that one swaying. So it is a little windy today. Well, that's certainly bending away. Yeah, so we're just approaching just opposite the tower. You can see there's lots of little vans, and look at this one. This is a bit of a strange one. So I'd imagine these are stalls for later on, like the hot potatoes and all your little candy floss and all sorts of things. Because there we go. What's this one here? So yeah, froth me silly. So I'd imagine that'll be like a little coffee one. And you can see, look at this unique one. It's like a little bus which is being towed. So I'd imagine that'll be like a jacket potato one, where they do cook's food and all sorts. And it's going to be a fantastic night tonight, because it's the last one of the fireworks, and it's the United States of America tonight. And you can see we've got some things going on the comedy carpet. There's always things going on, like little rehearsals, and it's a fantastic little spot, the comedy carpet. Like I said, all sorts of events going on. You can see more rehearsals. So I'm not too sure what that's in aid of. Some sort of competition, I would imagine. But you can see there's many groups. So yeah, this is just on the comedy carpet.
Kneel down.
And this is just outside the Blackpool Tower, and you see many people come for their sort of long weekend, and just look at the queues outside the tower waiting to go in, possibly try the dungeons and all sorts. You see it's getting very, very busy, and it's only just gone midday. So yeah, we're going to walk a little further past Central Pier, because it's too nice to be staying indoors today, and we just want to see how busy it is just before the illuminations tonight, which is going to be an incredible one. If you can't make the illuminations, we'll be going live around 8ish. I have put a scheduled live up, so it'd be fantastic if you'd like to join me. If you can't see it and you'd like to see the last display of the fireworks in Blackpool. So we just reached the spindles, as I call them. I'm sure they've got probably a different name, but I always call them the spindles. Just looks like the spindles, but yeah, we just reached those, and you can see there's quite a few people. Like I said, already dropped into Blackpool, and it's going to get busier and busier as the day goes on. And looks like there's quite a few things happening near the R&L, so we're going to have a bit of a look closer and see what's happening a little bit further up. So you can see how many families and people are just waiting for that tide to go out, and it's like it's full in at the moment. You can see North Pier just in the distance, but yeah, everyone's just waiting for that tide to go out to have a bit of fun on the beach. So like I said many a times, this the last spot what normally gets covered, the beach, and you see it's certainly covered today. And you see, like I said, more people just waiting and anticipating for that tide just to turn just enough so they can have a bit of a dip and enjoy, like I said, the golden sands, what Blackpool has to offer. So again, moving on a little bit more forward, you can see the deck chairs have now been removed. So they just used to be just to the right of the screen, and looks like they've now gone. And you can tell when they've gone, the summer has sadly gone, and autumn now is setting in. So that's it for the deck chairs for another year. But you can see all the little stalls ready for tonight. And it is quite windy, to be fair. So hopefully that won't put people off for the fireworks, and they're still going ahead, because I've heard nothing at all. And yeah, just coming up to the Odyssey. And again, this is a great one. When it comes to night time, everything lights up. And these are always great. And the horse and carriages, so I believe they're about £20 for a ride. But every one is unique with their own design and, you know, sort of little colourings and things. It's quite amazing, that one. And then we've got the Happy Days and the bubble tea just around the other corner from here. So yeah, they're like I said, a great attraction, the older horse and carriages. Like I said, it's something a little different. Just approaching Central Pier, just around the corner, you can see all the rides are in full swing. Apart from the wheel, which is unusual. Normally the old wheels going round, maybe that will sort of turn on later on. But you see all the little mini rides, and the actual pier itself is very, very busy. And what a gorgeous day! Absolutely wonderful. Oh, look at that. That's certainly started to spin the wheel. So it looks like it was stopped, just putting people on. So you can see everyone on there now. So it must be my eyes, can't see that far. But yeah, the wheel's now going around. And you can see the tide is fully in. So just looking out towards the South Pier. And there's nothing better than just watching the waves splashing against the steps and the wall. It's really sort of tranquil and therapeutic, I would say. And then you see the sun lighting up the sort of the walkway. It's quite magical. So just heading back, and you can see how busy Blackpool is starting to be. So we've still got another 7 hours before the fireworks start. But yeah, I just thought I'd give a bit of a preview on how busy the town centre is. You see they're possibly going to have a go at the old horse and cart. Yeah, like I say, it's another fantastic. We've been quite lucky with the weather in regards to the fireworks and the events, because normally it's pouring down sometimes when the events are on. So we have been quite lucky. yeah, it's you see the crowds starting to come in. We got the Coral Island and all the usual shops. So all these later on are going to be absolutely heaving. So just on our way back, and you can see it's a little hot drinks and all sorts there, and they're all getting ready for the afternoon and evening ahead. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to pop into to town and just have a look. See how busy the town centre is, because the promenade is getting more and more busy as the afternoon goes on. Like I said, it's very, very early afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock now, and looks like that's setting up for the tea, and fantastic one, that one. So yeah, I think what we're going to do, we're going to head on into to town a little, and just see, like I said, see how busy it is, and see what's going on. And that's the beach house. So they've got an ideal spot to watch the fireworks later on. And imagine some of those will probably be staying all afternoon just to keep that spot. So yeah, let's head on into the town centre. So yeah, I think what we'll do, we'll have a bit of a walk. You see, town is very busy already, and see all the cafes and things, people grabbing their breakfast and their spot of lunch. So yeah, it's very busy in the town. And that's that little Eat India. That's another great one. It's had some good reviews as well. They do sort of takeout dishes and all sorts. If you haven't tried that one, that's certainly worth a little trip to there. Pop in there, just on Temple Street. And as we walk a little further up, come across the Grand Theatre, and that's getting some work done to it. See the scaffolding is already been put up, and that's been put up for quite some time. So that's the Grand Theatre. So yeah, I think we'll head on a little bit towards St John's Square, and then call it a day and get prepared for this evening's video for the fireworks, which will be live. So I just thought I'd grab a few little bits from the new DWP building, and you see how work is commencing quite rapidly. And so I've been up here for quite a while, so you can see work is still ongoing, and yeah, it's a huge building. Like I said, 7 floors, and work is still ongoing. But they've certainly cracks on with this one. And again, you see all these little shops just here. These would be fantastic. Imagine the amount of staff what goes in there, and all them will be peckish for a bite to eat. So yeah, it's certainly worth an investment in one of those. And you see the huge wheels. They must be cables. And just imagine the money, what those would have cost. All that copper, I'd imagine. And yeah, that's looks like they're empty. But yeah, there's some money in the wire in those. And this is just from the opposite side, the front side, shall I say. Oh, looks like someone's in a bit of a rush. Horns going all over the place. But yeah, as I was saying, this is the front of the building. It looks actually quite smart. And just moving on from the civil service building, you can see Mr. Bazzary's, after all those smashed windows and boarded up windows, which happened many a time, they're back open and back in full swing. And that's at Mr. Bazzary's World Cuisines. So I hope you enjoyed this bit of a walk around, see how many people are coming off the train. And the station is absolutely busy. Look at that. That's just one train. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this bit of a walk around. If you do and you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button and the like button, and you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. So until next time, hope you join me on the live tonight if you're not able to make it to the fireworks. And if not, we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.